you know what day it is today? White Rabbit! It is December 1st. You know what that means? There's not much time to prepare your kitchen and get everything you need, including things for your family, things for your guests, things for yourself, and even your pets. So that's what I'm starting off. This is a kickoff or a face-off or some kind of a hockey theme series for the next 25 days, like eggnog pancakes or eggnog waffles. So that's what I'm going to be making with you. And I found, how festive is this, a red new incense stick to burn just for the occasion today. I don't know about you, how you light your things in the kitchen, but I keep a little fire extinguisher, so it's all right. There we go. And I even have it in a little bowl. Hope you like it. There we go. Now for the eggnog. That's kind of cinnamon. Very nice. Okay, so before I get anything done, let's get in the mood, the festive mood. I just got this at Costco the other day. I like how they add a extra freshness seal, and you know it lasts longer. Okay, so I'm going to first pour an eggnog for myself. Oh, and you know how much I like these. Ah, yes. Cheers. So what should we make first? Eggnog waffles or eggnog egg toast? Eggnog egg toast, egg toast? Okay, let's start with the egg toast. I don't know about you, but sometimes my bread, for whatever reason, gets squashed in the fridge, and those are the best pieces to use for breakfast. Just finish them off. All right, let's find a bowl. I have lots of little Tupperware ones. That's the one I broke. Ah. I'm going to make 4 toasts. The best way to go about this is you want your toast to be covered in the eggnog. So I just kind of eyeball this, you know. There we go. Yum. Yum. Okay. And then get the flipper. I'm just showing you how I do it. This is Canadian. How festive is that? A nice little green flipper. This is going to be so good. Okay. Next, put margarine butter in the pan. Now, I don't know what you like to have for breakfast in the mornings, but if you want to share and let me know what you like to have as your countdown to Christmas or wintertime or whatever you celebrate at your home, what do you start the month off? Or do you save and just go along with the month doing whatever you can? Just in advance. All right, first day of Advent. No, I also have my famous cinnamon sugar that I use. I shared this with you in another recipe a while back. You can also sprinkle this on your toast. Oh yes, I'll get that ready. And nutmeg. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okay, eggnog. Putting goodness and love on it. Okay, the first piece is going in. And the second piece, eggnog. Now, there's no right or wrong way to make egg toast. No stress. There's plenty enough of that already. Have some joy in your kitchen. Make something that makes you happy. And your family happy. There we go. Before those finish up, I'm going to put a little sprinkle of nutmeg. Just a little more on 2 of them. I'm going to put a little my cinnamon sugar on the 2 other ones. And I'll give these a flip in a moment. There we are. So I thought I'd celebrate with you subscribers. So I'm making breakfast for us. Which one of these would you have? The one with nutmeg or one with cinnamon sugar? Or do you even put anything on yours? I don't know. Do you make egg toast yourself? Just wondering. I've heard it being said that it's French toast. I've always known it as egg toast. So it's eggnog, egg toast. In the meantime, I'm going to find a Christmassy plate. Oh, do you like these? I think little egg toast served on that'll be pretty and festive. All right, we'll let that finish. Have another sip. Maybe I should have used a bigger pan. My big pan I used for that tortillas the other day. That's such a good pan. I named it. I named my pans. That one, that big pan, that's Big Bertha. Yeah. Yep. All right, this is almost there. So we'll let those finish up. Eggnog, egg toast, and maple syrup. And it's breakfast at our house. Ooh. Yum. So in addition to making eggnog, egg toast, we are making eggnog waffles. Straightforward, about a cup each of eggnog and waffle or pancake mix. Get your griddle nice and hot. I've got this just about steamy. We're going to make those next and have that with our breakfast and eggnog. So that's 1 cup pancake mix. Just like that. It's entirely up to you how you want your waffles. So I'm going to start with 1 cup and then eyeball it. Oh yes, this is going to be so merry. You can add nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever makes you happiest. So the batter is nicely rested. You just put a little bit on. Now, if you haven't already, you could add your little toppings you wanted. I just put a little on at a time. It's fun. It's easy. Get the maple syrup ready. Oh yes, this is going to be great. This amount I made will make about 4, not ginormous ones, but portioned out in 4 nice ones. It's almost ready. Oh, yum. There's the first one. 3 more to go. So if you really like my channel so far, and this is giving you an idea for the countdown for the next 25 days, maybe consider subscribing and hit that little button. That'll really help me out a lot. Thank you. For me, when I was a kid growing up, anyways, in Canada, having an Advent calendar was a really big deal. So I thought it'd be kind of fun. Saw this at Costco the other day. So it took me a while before I found where number 1 was on the square here. That's part of the fun. I finally found it. It's right here. So I thought I'd open it. Happy December 1st. Make a wish. And you open. Oh, how cute is that? Look at that little candy. It's in like a babushka kind of a shape. You know those little babushka dolls? Look at that. How cute is that? It's a little painter figure. Oh, how cute. Yum. So I'm going to enjoy that. I'll let you know how it tastes. Oh, how pretty. Look how pretty they foiled that. I'm sorry, yeah, I hurt my hand. Oh, that is so cute. A little painter. Yum. Happy December 1st. Oh, yes. This month is shaping up nicely. Hmm. So according to the picture on the back, that was a little elf. A little milk chocolate elf. That was good. I can't wait to see what number 2 is for tomorrow. Okay, beginning of the month, December 1st. There's always hockey game and things to do to prepare your kitchen, including snacks for the game night. And tonight, these sirens are playing the Minnesota Frost. So I'm going to be decorating up my kitchen and my hockey net as we go for the next 25 days. And I'll give you a suggestion of some favorite snacks that you might start thinking about making, or maybe check out a video I made to help you make some of these snacks, like ketchup chips. I made that one previous, or Nanaimo bars, or Butter Tarts even. Then there's the other kind of snacks you might like. Poutine, you can make those. Hot dogs, nachos, pretzels, chicken wings, mac and cheese, corn dogs, pizza, garlic fries, beaver tails, and pierogi nachos, or pierogies, or nachos, or both. Maybe in the comments below, let me know if you'd like me to make pierogi nachos. I'd be more than happy to, because that's also one of my favorites. Okay, well that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Until next time, do take care. Au revoir.